Okay, so they were running a half-off sale on the Starlink kit. My impulse control is apparently also on sale. Anyway, the thing got here, so let's do a professional install and see how good the space internet really is. So you've decided to join the space race from your backyard. First, you gotta play this little augmented reality game to prove to the app that you can in fact see the sky. Spoiler alert, the sky is big. Let's see what's in the box. There she is, the magic space rectangle. Sleek, white, probably judging my life choices already. It comes with this kickstand that just sort of clips in. High-tech stuff. And here we have the sacred texts. Texts. Who put an X next to a T? Texts. No words, just vibes. The ancient wisdom passed down through minimalist, IKEA-style pictograms. Looks simple enough. Point rectangle at sky, plug things in, got it. Underneath we find the accessories. A router that looks suspiciously like a fancy air freshener, a power brick the size of an actual brick, and enough proprietary cable to lasso a small moon. Now for that professional installation we were talking about.
You fellas have nothing to worry about. I'm a professional.
For this, I've utilized a precision-engineered, load-bearing wooden platform secured to a state-of-the-art mobile deployment unit. It's a trailer. I put it on my trailer. We'll run the cable through this. We'll just run the cable through this convenient opening here. Don't worry about it. It's temporary. Probably. Okay, app time. Start setup, standard kit, find a clear view of the sky. Well, kinda. Mount is installed. Sure, let's go with that. Plug the thing in, and done. Look at that, it's alive. My phone is now talking to the space rectangle.
E.T. phone home. E.T. phone home. E.T. phone home. E.T. phone home.
The app now says it's booting, which I assume is robot for thinking really hard. It's going through some things, searching for satellites, calculating its orientation, probably having an existential crisis. Just give it a minute. Boom, we are online. Connected to the internet hive mind via space lasers. So remember that professional install? Well, according to the app, we have some notes.
Ooh, yeah.
The alignment tool says that it should be facing north. I'm currently facing not north. A minor detail, I'm sure. Let's see what we get. Well, for being pointed in completely the wrong direction, not bad. We'll take it. Not bad for a starting point, and as you'll see in a bit, it will get much better. In the meantime, check this out. The device lets you check your Wi-Fi speed just from your device to the router, which is ridiculously fast. Again, that's not the internet, of course, that's just how fast your phone can shout at the router. But still, crazy. Wi-Fi 6. It also has a whole host of other features like insanely detailed statistics, a live 3D map of potential obstructions, and a snowmelt feature if you're into that sort of thing. So after letting it settle in and recalibrate, and probably tweet at Elon about its living conditions, what do we end up getting? Well, let's see. Boom!
Yes! That's awesome!
290 down. Yeah, that'll do. That'll do just fine. Out of the box, onto the trailer, pointed in the completely wrong direction, and we're getting speeds like this.
So in conclusion,
there you have it. The future is here, and apparently it's idiot-proof. I will, of course, be dragging this thing around from place to place and posting updates. So if you want to see how it holds up, do the whole like and subscribe thing. You know the drill. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.
Perfect.
Lay down. I'm almost done. You just chill out. Jesus fucking Christ. Oh, that's funny.